Having a good product is crucial for success in dropshipping. In this video, I'll show you a product research method that you must try on TikTok, and this method is still working great in 2023. There are tons of different product research methods and paid tools that you could use out there. I'm sure many of them still work great, but in this video, I'll be covering only one simple strategy, and it is 100% free. No paid tools are necessary, since all you need is a TikTok app for this method. This is the exact proven strategy that I used during my last few dropshipping challenges that successfully made me tens of thousands of dollars in a week, and it all starts with the product. So let's get started with this TikTok product research method. There are 3 steps to this method. First, you must understand what a winning TikTok product looks like. So I'm going to show you the 5 criteria that I look out for when browsing products. This is going to help train your eye to easily spot winning products. Then I'm going to show you the actual product research method itself. So I'll be scrolling through products live in just a moment. And lastly, the most important part, I'm going to show you how to trend verify your products. This will help you be 100% sure your product is a winner. Those are the 3 things I'll be covering in this video. Let's begin with step 1. What does a winning product look like? To answer this question, we must dive into the 5 criteria. Criteria number 1 is to find a product or marketing angle that catches your attention in less than 3 seconds. Typically, that means your product should have a wow factor or be a problem solver. For example, this product quickly caught my attention with a wow factor because that's not a real jellyfish, plus it glows in the dark, so it's actually a very cool product. This is an example of a problem solver. It's a cup rinser that can be used on any kitchen. Washing cups is a pain, so this simple product could help make someone's life a little bit easier. And don't forget, having a good marketing angle is powerful. For example, notice how controversial this ad is. He's stealing perfume at the mall, and that idea actually turned out to be a viral TikTok ad. Be creative, guys, just don't go to jail. Criteria number 2 is pricing. I recommend finding a product that you could sell between $39.99 to $69.99. Offering any of these price points with free shipping works the best with TikTok ads. It's important that you balance your cost and profit margins. My goal is to make a 1/3 profit margin off of my overall store revenue. The rest of the money is invested on product plus shipping costs and paid TikTok ads. Here are some tips to boost your profit margins. Pause the video if you want to read this really quick. I highly recommend it. Criteria number 3 is making sure you have a exclusive product that's not sold in local markets. If you can easily buy a product somewhere like at Walmart, then you should probably do more research and find a product that could be purchased mainly online only. Criteria number 4 is having a trusted supplier that can ship your products to your customers in less than 14 days. The faster the better, of course. Trust me, the most frustrating thing is getting your payment processor banned, all because of having an unreliable supplier, so be sure to avoid that issue from the start. All you need to do is a quick checkup on CJ Dropshipping or AliExpress to see if the product you're looking at has at least 50 reviews above 4.6 stars and fast shipping times. That will confirm you have a good supplier. For criteria number 5, with this specific product research strategy, you want to find a product that's fairly new to the market, typically below 3 months old, and the product must also still be trending at the time of your product research. This is the 4 stages of a product life cycle. You want to find a product that's currently in the growth phase, because that is the sweet spot which tells me a product is already proven but not too saturated or dead. Now that we understand what a winning product looks like thanks to the 5 criteria, we finally covered step 1. Now I'm going to show you how to find these products on TikTok and how to check if the product is in the growth phase using the trend verification strategy, which is very important, so be sure to watch until the end. Now we can move on to step 2, which is the actual product research method itself. So let's do it live together. It's actually pretty simple. Open TikTok and search up any of these hashtags. For example, let's search up hashtag TikTok made me buy it. I know many YouTubers already tell you to search up this hashtag, but trust me, there's a lot more in this strategy that you should know. Anyways, after clicking search, go to your search filters and copy the following settings. Change sort by to like count, change video category to all, and change date posted to this week. This will show you a list of the most popular products being dropshipped in the last 7 days on TikTok, which is very important since we want to find products in the growth phase. Now I'm going to scroll through these products and look for a product that matches the 5 criterias with my trained eye. Okay, so after scrolling on TikTok for 10 minutes, I found a potential winning product. Let's see if it matches all 5 criterias. It's this heated eyelash curler. This product definitely caught my attention because it's a problem solver for women. It's a unique little tool that helps curl eyelashes using a battery-powered mini heater. Since this product has a high perceived value, I could sell it for at least $39.99, which is great. I also found a trusted supplier that could ship this product within 15 days for just $5.34 per unit. That is absolutely amazing because it gives me a wide profit margin to work with. This product also cannot be found in local stores easily, which is what we needed. So far, this product is matching 4 out of 5 criterias, which is great, but there's one more last thing which is very important for this method to work. Step 3, the final step of this product research method. I'm going to show you a powerful trend verification method which could help you ensure that a product is in fact still in the growth phase at the time of your product research. And the way you do that is to search up the name of the product on TikTok. So in my case, I'm going to search up heated eyelash curler. Now I need to research the competition and answer 2 crucial questions to pass this test. I want to know, is there multiple sellers that posted viral TikToks of this product? The answer is yes, since I found a few dropshippers on TikTok selling this product and they have at least 100,000 likes, so that to me means it's viral. I also want to know, was this product first introduced on TikTok less than 3 months ago? The answer is also yes, since I checked the post dates of all the top videos and none of these TikToks are older than 3 months. These are all fairly new videos. That means the product is currently in the growth phase because it's less than 3 months old and multiple dropshippers are having success selling it, which means you can too since there's a lot of juice to squeeze. Ladies and gentlemen, we finally found a winner. It's safe to say that since this product matches all 5 criteria and passed the trend verification test, so there's definitely money to be made here. But wait, I'm gonna put my money where my mouth is and prove to you that this product is actually a winner. So I'm going to challenge myself to make $10,000 in 2 weeks selling this product, and if I fail this challenge, then I'm deleting my YouTube channel. This is the start of a new series on YouTube and you just finished watching episode 1, so be sure to follow along the rest of the journey. I'm gonna build a Shopify store for this product, then get some videos, then set up paid TikTok ads, and hopefully scale this dropshipping business to insane levels while documenting it for you guys. Click here to watch the next video to see how I'll build a Shopify store for this winning product. Click the end screen to see what happens next.